going to be applying a Uilulu eyelash extensions today. This is how the eyelash glue looks like. This is just one of the eyelash extension glues that they provided. They also provided a clear one, but I definitely like this one because it has that little bent and it will be very easy to apply to my eyes. This side has like a clear eyelash sealer and a little knot applicator, so that will be really easy. Let's go. You see the difference. I think I'm going to add a little bit more longer ones right here. So now I'm going to use the other end, the sealer, and just apply that right here. And then go in with the applicator and clamp it down. And voila, it's done. I'm absolutely in love. Check this out. I can put my glasses on and it doesn't hit my eyeglasses. Uilulu, where have you been all my life?
Today I'm going to be applying Uilulu eyelash extensions